Over the years, I've met so many guitarists who know scales and solos inside out. But when it comes to playing along with a singer or playing in a band, they get stuck because they haven't built up their strumming chops. Hi, I'm Joe and welcome to Tools for the Guitarist. If you're looking to perform or even become a pro, you've got to be ready to strum along with anyone, anytime on stage or in the studio. I like to call it ready knowledge, the kind of skills you can pull out of your sleeve at any moment. That's why I put together the Yellow Book, a guide packed with essential strum patterns to build your rhythm vocabulary. And to give you a taste of the Yellow Book, I'm sharing this free video lesson with 5 must-know strum patterns every guitarist should have in their toolkit. A few essential strum patterns to build your rhythm vocabulary. Along with this free lesson, I've also attached a PDF with all the patterns and chord diagrams we'll cover. This way, you've got everything you need right in front of you as you learn.